Hello guys, and welcome back for another video on the Nacon restoration. Today I will show you how I plasma cut the steel parts for the cradle for the Pak 43 gun. The recording is played back at about 16 times speed, so that you won't get bored of all the time that I was cutting the steel parts, which took about 3 hours. Because punching a hole through it is more damaging to the plasma cutter, I always try to start from an edge. And of course constantly cleaning the tip of the plasma cutter, which also makes it last longer. This part is the bottom part of the cradle, which take care of the traverse of the gun. As you can see, I'm measuring several times, constantly checking if the ruler is on the right position, because cutting wrong, then you have a big problem. You have to repair or make a new part. You can see all the smoke that's coming from the cutting. That's the reason why I wanted to do it outside, because inside we don't have great ventilation, so it's not really healthy to do it there. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. In the future I will show you the entire cradle system build, and of course we're also expecting in a few months the new tracks for testing. So don't forget to subscribe and check out the channel. This part is cut at actual speed, and it's even more clear the dirty smoke that comes from the cutting. And what you also can see, the spray is going down and sometimes it's going up, and at that time the cutting speed is too fast. I had to recut a little piece because I was going a bit too fast there. This piece is for the elevation system. It has a lot of angles and also will be bent in 2 places later on, but that's for our next video. Here you can see that piece tack welded together, but it still needs a lot of supports. I made a little tool for cutting radiuses, but was a problem with the plasma cutter with the contact tip. As soon as I come in contact with the material, I cannot start the plasma cutter, so I have to keep it free of the metal and then start it, and then put the tool on top of the material for cutting the radius, which is a bit tricky, but we're solving it with the company that sold me the plasma cutter. I hope to see you soon for another video on the Nacon restoration.